a really heavy duty coffee grinder, and it's not just a coffee grinder. You can use it for nuts, all type. And I make this walnut Chinese, like an Asian dessert, and you just grind the walnut and then you cook it. It's also good for spices, grains, anything at all. And you can look at it really nicely. It has the indicator of max, so don't fill it too high up. And then it's secured, and then you press it. So it came with this box, so I'm not sure what this is. Let me just make sure. What is this? So you can see here is the 2 blades and the 4 blades. This is how you take it out. It's like almost like a blender. And once you twist it, screw it, twist it, it's secured it. And then this is really nice. So the 2 options is the 2 blade and 4 blades.